vlog we visited the Nunobiki Herb Gardens, which is located in Kobe. Kobe is only around 15 minutes away from Osaka by Shinkansen, so it's a great day trip. To get to the gardens, you can catch the ropeway or hike. We decided to catch the ropeway up and hike back down. The ropeway offers an excellent view of the city, and you can spot the dam and the falls below as well. This golden ice cream, 2,000 yen.
Get some gold leaf ice cream.
The ice cream was okay. I don't know if it was worth 1,000 yen though. What's that?
Gold Venamu. Strong.
Sweet orange. Sounds something I'd like. It smells really good. Smell them all. So many. They have this room with lots of scent bottles they use to make perfumes. This butterfly was just chilling in the gift shop fridge. Those drinks were grape beer, I think it was. We tried one. It was pretty interesting. The gift shop was really nice, and it was hard not to buy everything. Most products are made with the herbs grown in the gardens. Here's some of the actual herb gardens. It's pretty relaxing to walk through and read about the herbs. They have a lot of gardeners working, and they're very attentive of the plants. They had this foot bath which had a wonderful view. They had these sort of giant tea bags in the water filled with herbs. This is Nunobiki Falls. It's a short walk from Shin-Kobe Station or a hike down the mountain from the gardens. We went with the latter, obviously. At the Herb Gardens, we went into Kobe City to visit an otter cafe. The otter cafe was okay. There's a few other animals you can choose to pet, but the star is Burin the otter. I have to say though, a lot of animal cafes I've been to leave me a little sad in that I wish the animals had more room. I hope that they at least get taken out every now and then. The handler seemed to really care about Burin though.
Hey. Well, なでなでしても大丈夫ですよ。触っても大丈夫です。
Oh, wow.
Wow.
She's cute.
わあ、ちょっと、わあ、食べ。
かわいい。
You go and get it. They're really smart.
Wow.
How old?
2 years old.
Ah.
I never realized I had like actual fingernails and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, so cute. No, she doesn't. Oh.
Sit.
Oh. Ooh, tube tie.
Imagine having an otter as a pet.
It's so cute.
They're very eccentric.
欲しいね。
Ooh.
さっきはおい。
Wow. So.
Yeah. Mm.
You can touch. You can touch. Maybe.
Maybe. No.
Maybe not.
Oh. 何？欲しいね。カメラ欲しいの。
Oh, she really wanted it. She tried to get my camera out of my hands. They warn you that she will grab any loose objects that you have on you. I also held a sugar glider. It was so tiny and cute.
Oh my goodness. I think it's peeing on me.
Nothing you can do about it now.
Oh.
Cute.
Ooh. He died. Oh,
Soft.
it's so tiny.